Good morning. Good morning, everybody. What's up? What's up? Let everybody know we are live.
Now that you heard the hook, let me open the book. Call me Little Jamal, he's from a place called the Hood. Now Marley is only 6, but mama getting evicted. Daddy committed murder, so papa locked up in prison. He doesn't see the world for what it's really about. He gotta leave his mama.
I actually should have went live on Facebook and stuff too.
She needed someone that
but we'd be alright.
They got denied and EBT bought the milk. So CPS comes, now Jamal's in the system. Now he's gotta be tough, cause nobody hugged and kissed him. These are critical years, I mean, he's 13. Watch the time fly by, the young kings in his
stock market is looking like it's a little green today.
His daddy's never coming home, he wears mom on his shirt. He know the tears never help, so fuck it, why should he cry? He rolls a blunt, put his hands in the sky. Black boy, you could fly. Black rose, black rose. Black rose, black rose, black rose in the sky.
We are kicking it in the morning. Y'all used to that late night stuff. We got to get up hopping early today.
Black rose, black rose, black rose in the sky. Black rose, black rose. Black rose, black rose, black rose, black rose. Lord, I pray you forgive us.
So let's get the party started. What's going on, beautiful people? I'm Lando, Success, your favorite motivational teacher. The goal is, whenever you come to my channel, for you to leave knowing something that you didn't know before you came here. So we're doing a live market open, see what's popping on the stock side, on the crypto side. Crypto been going green. It's been doing a good run, man. I'm liking the gains. We have Jewel in the building. Good morning. Hope all is well, love. What's popping your way? Before we get started, have to give a shout out to the company affiliate sponsors. You have, there we go. We have Moomoo right there in the back. I got my Moomoo soldiers. He got his shades on. Hey, see, he don't need the shades on today. He can take the shades off because money is coming in, so it's not too cloudy today. But shout out to Moomoo. They are doing a promotion right now until the end of March 31st at end, where you literally can do a deposit of any amount and you get 3 free stocks. Since you are on my page, you get 1 Neo for free off rip. When you do a deposit and open up the account, you get literally $3 to $3,500, depending on what stock you get. Let me know which one you get, and you get 1 free stock from $9 to $3,500. And I figure if Neo was $20, then you get a minimum $9, so you're getting about $32 minimum. Completely worst case scenario. That's definitely a dope thing. And the second thing, we have to do a shout out to good old Hodlnaut, man. I'm going to do my 1 year up to date video. 1 month update video soon, probably towards the end of the month. Hodlnaut is a high interest savings account where you earn money on your crypto. You might as well work smarter than harder. Let your crypto assets work for you, even while you're asleep. No lock-in periods, no minimum deposits. Customer service amazing. Get paid every single Monday. I get 6% on my Bitcoin, 6% on my Ethereum, and over 12% on my US dollar. So the way it basically works is when you take money and you send it over to your crypto wallet. So look, imagine you have Bitcoin right now and it's just sitting there and it's going up with the price. With Hodlnaut, it get to go up with the price, and you are getting that 6%. So I have money kind of spread it around with Ethereum, Hodlnaut, and USDC. I'm logging into my account now. I have to do my authenticator. When I went to sleep last night, it was at 3,000. It was at $3,050. I didn't hit my code quick enough for I like the authenticator. If you don't put in that number quickly, you're going to be SOL. You don't want to be SOL. So we went to sleep. So we still around 350. I think it's like 353 when we went to sleep. So it's still going up. You know, it's holding strong. The prices of crypto is holding strong and slowly going up. You have your total account value in USD. You have your total available balance. that can change if I end up staking, like literally locking up some money, but it's no point in doing that. Your total earn, your pending payout. Right now we are at 1,400 of USDC. The goal is to get that over 10,000, but right now I have too much in there. I need to convert it over to some Bitcoin and some Ethereum, but I'm waiting for a good price drop. So I'm not necessarily doing it right there and I swap it out. But to get signed up for Moomoo and get it signed up with Hodlnaut, all you have to do is click the link in the bio, sign up. It takes a few seconds, or I have it pinned at the top of the comments where you can do that. What's going on? Good morning. Neo's earning today. Thoughts about Lucid? Lucid is, I would just buy Tesla. I wouldn't mess with Lucid, to be honest. Just buy Tesla, because Lucid haven't been through its trials and tribulations. So it's going to take a while for the price to be steady, for them to figure out all their chinks in their armor. I'm hearing a lot of problems with their units already. So yeah, just invest in Tesla for right now. Now, you know, you still have more established companies, smaller companies like the Neos, like the Xpings or the Li Autos. We got Bobby in the building. What's going on? Bobby said, let's get them likes up. Yeah, we got what y'all doing? Y'all in here just watching me talking. Y'all haven't hit the like button. See, we got to get a habit. As soon as you come in, you hit the like button and you leave a comment. And you can just get that out the way and you can be chill and I don't have to necessarily yell at y'all. But we do have great news. We have to drop exclusive bomb for Crypto.com. They just signed an ultimate sponsorship deal. I believe they are number one. It's not even I believe, I know they're number one when it comes down to promoting, advertising, and getting their brand completely out there. So let's check this out. This is their official Twitter page. Crypto.com is proud to be the first crypto trading platform sponsor of FIFA World Cup Qatar 2022. That is huge, man. That is a great thing. Let's read and see what they are talking about. And then we'll go over Crypto.com price and what's my expectations for them long term and by the end of this year. It's a Crypto.com unveils as FIFA World Cup Qatar 2022 official sponsor. World fastest growing cryptocurrency platform has more than 10 million customers and over 4,000 employees worldwide. FIFA and Crypto.com sponsorship will drive a significant awareness around cryptocurrency trading platform through brand exposures at the world's most popular sporting event. FIFA has announced that Crypto.com will be official sponsor of the FIFA World Cup. The company will be exclusively cryptocurrency trading platform sponsor. So they're exclusive. They're the number one uno and will benefit from significant branding exposure within and outside the tournament stadiums. Founded in 2016, Crypto.com today serves more than 10 million customers and have over 4,000 employees. That's a lot of employees across its offices in America, Europe, and Asia. The company was built on a foundation of security, privacy, and compliance and designed to accelerate the global adoption of cryptocurrency through service offerings. Crypto.com has already demonstrated a commitment to support top-tier teams and leagues, major events, and iconic venues across the world. And there is no bigger platform other than the FIFA World Cup football, says their CCO. We are delighted to have a global brand like Crypto.com join us as a sponsor of the exciting and groundbreaking FIFA World Cup Qatar, ultimately helping to grow our beautiful game on a global scale. Crypto.com enjoys high-profile partnerships with numerous top-tier sports and entertainment properties worldwide, including motorsports, MMA, basketball, ice hockey, as well as football, and most recently, Crypto.com securing the naming rights of the iconic Crypto.com arena in Los Angeles and becoming an official Crypto.com exchange and trading platform for the men's and women's professional football league in Australia. So they said they're going to have merchandise, they're going to have tournaments, they're going to have a bunch of different ways they're going to do things. We could not be more excited to sponsor FIFA World Cup, one of the most prestigious tournaments in the world, and to drive further awareness to Crypto.com globally, said Chris, the co-founder and chief executive officer of Crypto.com. Through our partnership with FIFA, we continue to use our platform and innovation and innovative ways so that Crypto.com can power the future of the world-class sports and fan experience around the world. So this is great news. I want to unpack that. And I want to talk about what does this mean for crypto and what does this mean necessarily for their price. Because right now, if you look at all the exchanges, you look at FTX, you look at Binance, you look at Coinbase, Crypto.com, when it comes down to their marketing, they are number one. No other exchanges really can mess with them. They're doing their thing. But the problem that a lot of people are having is the price. You know, people getting frustrated like, yo, I expected this coin to be at least over $1 right now. If y'all are doing all of this stuff, what is going on with the price? And I completely get it. You know, I already have done tons of videos breaking down the tokenomics, breaking down why is their coin circulation so high. And I get frustrated also, but let's look at their current price. So looking at them on Crypto.com, let's refresh it. Right now, the price is at 43 cents. Last 24 hours, it's up 3%. Right now, it's up. Last 7 days, up 7%. Last month, up 12%. So it's been doing good. Last 3 months is down. Last 6 months, up over 176%. And the last year, up 91%. So the main problem we have is the circulation. The circulation is bad because that's just 25 billion is honestly too much. But their managers and their team is so good. I'm riding with them because they have a game plan. What is their plan? I don't know. You got to really have faith in what they're doing because when you look at the other exchanges, they have less coins. I believe what they're doing right now, they are trying to get their awareness, their name out there with some of the top companies like Nike, Apple. You literally going to put their name in 5 years. I said 3 to 5 years, their name is going to be big as all the top people. The problem we are learning is that don't translate to the price going up. It really don't. You done named Staples Center, Crypto.com Arena. Boom. That, the price went up, did a little spike probably right here. But that didn't do nothing. You did the women's soccer, you did the Super Bowl. So they got that part down. My problem or my thing is their promotion do not convert over to people using the app. And that's their problem right now. You see Crypto.com, you see it's a household name. So say you go to the FIFA World Cup, is sponsored by Crypto.com, and you are appreciating the name, but it don't make you go download the app and get active. Like when they did the Super Bowl commercial, Coinbase won just by putting a QR code because it forced everybody to go to their screen, download the app, and it transferred over to sales in the long term. Crypto.com, in my opinion, that's why I would love to team up with them and work with them when it comes down to adoption, because the plans I have, I can easily show them how to 1,000x their adoption because they have the best infrastructure, such as their app. Once you get in the app and you start using it the right way, such as purchasing gift cards, such as being able to send other people Crow, the adoption can completely expand and go crazy. They just haven't figured out that part. Once they do figure it out, it's going to be a game changer. And right now, where crypto world is going, everything is more towards DeFi. People want passive income, and they want passive income right now. And, you have crypto, you have Chronos, and you need Crow forward. That is going to be the main thing to help the price adoption go to the next level, is really DeFi. So if we look at the price, your goal with Crow, remember I said this is a 20-year bet. So don't feel bad about this price right now. It's okay because this is not a 10, this is not a 2-month type of deal and the price is going to expand because right now they need to burn some more coins. They just got too much. So if you just put $1 in right now, you're going to get 2 coins. So you want to just slowly continue to buy in, continue to stake, and you want to have a position one day where you are averaging a residual $100 a day just off of your staking of Crow. And a price is going to completely squeeze and it's going to bubble. But realistically, at the end of this year, I only see Crow being from 51 to 56 cents.
Oh, no.
Yeah, because you got to think, I'm bearish on crypto in the year of 2022. So, I hope I'm wrong. I would love to be wrong. But, I'm bearish. I think, crypto is going to be in a sunken place this year. It's not the year for it to completely explode. But, that's my thoughts with crypto.com. I love what they're doing. I love their marketing. They get A+ on that. They just need to convert people over towards using the app more and using it in a very unique way because your competition is rising. You have a lot of other companies that's doing the same thing, such as being able to buy the app, and they have to promote more the card and all that type of stuff. Let me know in the comments what y'all thoughts about that. So shout out to everybody that's new in here. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Have you heard about Mullen? Haven't heard about Mullen? What's your thoughts about buying Amazon or Google before the stock split? I absolutely love Amazon. I absolutely love Google. That's a lifetime stock. So it's not just like a 1 year, 5 year, 10 year, 20 year. It's a lifetime stock. How you have heavy dividend paying companies. Just a growth stock, it's great. It's a growth stock and it's going to possibly be a dividend paying stock sooner or later. But buying it now is a genius concept. Buying it later is genius. I say buy it now more than later because Amazon is completely acting up right now. Amazon is not, it would be $150 a share if Amazon was at $3,000. And then the stock split happened in June. We still got to do April. We still got to do May. And that's if it's at $3,000, it's going to be $150 a share. Say it's at $4,000. What is 4,000? Let's do the math. I think it's going to be $200. So I'm assuming $4,000 divided by 20. Yep, it's $200. I prefer to buy it, get in at 200, 150 than 200, but the price can completely keep going up. So you at least want to just keep on, find a platform where you can slowly but surely, do some fractional shares. And it's going to be better because Moomoo, if you guys are watching, I've been emphasizing I want fractional shares over there because they have hands down the best platform to buy things on, but you have to buy a whole stock. And where most of these platforms are going, fractional shares, like I'm not about to buy a whole Amazon share for $3,200. I will put $50 in there, So, yeah, that's my thoughts about it. Tony on the building. What's going on, Tony? Hope all is well. My address on Satoshi Island is 14.21 Satoshi Way. I love it. ADA game, been saying ADA and Mana for a long time. Yeah, and they are living up to the hype right now. They're definitely leading and paving the way. So that's a great thing. Let's see. What do you believe would be a nice price to buy Crow at this point? Any price. Since Crow is a 20-year bet, just literally, it don't matter if it's green today, if it's red tomorrow, just literally buy Crow because your goal at this point is, and I did a video. Make sure you watch the video where I did about staking Crow on DeFi. And it's because if you do it on an app, you have to have a minimum $400 and you are getting 6%, I believe, or whatever percentage you're getting. But on DeFi, on Chrono, the DeFi app, you're getting close to 12%. I'm getting over 10% of my crow. And it only makes sense to completely have your money over there, and you just want to buy in stake, buy in stake, buy in stake. Then get to the point where you're making $1 a day. You like, oh shoot, no matter what I'm doing, I am making $1 a day. Get it to $2 a day, $5. You over here fooling I. The goal is with our crow. Our goal is to be able to make a passive income of $100 a day just with crow. That is our 20-year long-term plan with that, so you can buy in. And a lot of these companies, we can look at some crypto. A lot of these coins, y'all know I preach about buying in on the low and buying in on red days, right? But I will not be mad at you or argue you down if you're buying in on a good quality company that you don't plan to sell anytime soon. So for example, if you look at Cardano, ADA, this is a coin that I'm not selling no time soon. So you can buy Cardano at its high or current high right now at a 117. And it's like it is what it is. Say it crashed back down because it was just under $1. Say it crashed back down to 80 cents. You was like, yeah, you lost money, but you technically didn't lose money because you didn't sell. You only lose money when you sell in stocks and cryptocurrency. Outside of that, it's just a picture on the sign. If you look at your house, so do this right now while we live. That's what I want y'all to do. Everybody that's watching this, do this right now. Whatever your address is, pull out your phone and Google your address and hit enter. And it's going to basically, and look at Zillow. So I'm about to do it with y'all. So we doing this live. So literally put in your address, then hit Zillow. Now Zillow, you scroll down, it's going to say your home value. It's going to say your estimate range, the last 30-day change. My last 30-day change is up 4.3%. It's a $7,000, $7,265. It's up. But let's say if it was down 4.3% and down $7,000, would I panic and be like, oh shit, no. I can't do this, man. My home value is down $7,000, man. I'm not about to sell my home right now. If you offer the right amount of money. So you have to have that mindset. No matter what you bought in at, we don't look at our home stuff. So just imagine they had an app where you just seen your home price. We would drive ourselves crazy. The only thing is different is we have apps where we can see our stocks and our crypto. So we're not necessarily worried about buying in on the high, low, on good quality companies. But I don't say that too much out loud to majority of people because majority of people are not long time holders and are not used to thinking with that type of mindset. So yes, it don't make no sense because you don't make no point and especially whenever you don't buy in at its all-time high. Now whoever just gave me a dislike, your mom is a freak. Thank you. But it don't matter. Like let's say, okay, ADA high is what, $3? Let's say it's at $3. We are not even 50% from our high. ADA have to be at $1.50 just to be halfway, 50% from their high. So technically, buying in, if you zoom out, buying in right here is nothing. This is an opportunity. But if you buy in, if you look at it like this, you're like, oh my gosh, I'm buying in at its high. This is terrible because it's going to crash back down. So that's the way I look at it. That's why you have to zoom out sometimes when it come down to crypto and just zoom out, look at it, and you're like, oh, technically, we ain't even close to this. So that's why you just want to continue to buy in on certain companies consistently. So let's see what the rest of the market is doing. Right now we have Bitcoin is keep on going over 43,000 and going back under. Trying to I want to see if that might be a new support level. We're gonna see. Up 1% in a day, up 4% in the last week. Ethereum is doing really the same thing, up a little bit higher in the last week. You got BNB. See, look at BNB, man. It's a game changer. It's a difference than a crypto.com. because look at their coin circulation. You know, if Crypto.com did this, we'd be lit too, but they have bigger and better plans. Coin circulation is at 165 million. Crypto.com is at 30 something billion, 30 billion. So yeah, the price is going crazy. So it's not like they're doing anything wrong. They're actually leading the pack on what they're trying to do and accomplish. It's just, you know, it's their marketing plan. You know, I put my trust in them. You have Luna is going down heavy right now. You know, we ain't know if it was going to hit that $100 mark. So it's a good opportunity. Still buy in on Luna under $100. That is a good buy. This would be a good day to buy in on some Luna right now because market is going up. And people are like, we don't need these stable coins right now. Take our money out of this UST and put it in crypto. So that's what they doing right now. Shout out to whoever just gave me that like. Solana finally hit back $100. Solana up 7% in the last day. So, you know, it was a good opportunity to buy in Solana under $100. Avalanche is red today. I have UST on this thing. And Matic been going hard. Matic is, you know, we just seen it at 138 or something the other day. Matic at 162. This is another one you want to completely buy in. Well, just a week ago, Matic was at 142, 141. That's good stuff. Good opportunity. And you look at this in the last year, this is one of the best buys you can have in 2022, in my opinion, if you look at that. Crow is up 2%, doing this thing, staying strong. Algorand is at 3%. Shout out to my new Algorand family. Y'all are crazy. Shout out to the people just been sending me Algorand. I did a video, and I'm like, hey, here go my wallet. Y'all want to send some Algorand? People been doing it. Shout out to y'all. You know, ApeCoin is really enjoying this ride right now. So, you know, we'll see how they do. They just enjoying the ride at this point. So we have to see how it do as a standalone coin. So shout out to everybody that's in here. Make sure you hit that like button if you haven't done it already. Will Smith, The Weeknd back, NFT, Metaverse Land, Investor Every Ram. What is they talking about? Let's check this out. Oh, shit. Come on. I didn't. I had it on my phone and I dropped the ball. I don't know what I did. I did something crazy. Yeah, I'll look it up. I'll look it up later. It'll probably give me a different notification. Who is new in here? Fidelity does fractional shares. I'm switching from TD Ameritrade. Yeah, Fidelity switched it up for getting up to date with the times. You know, what about commodities? There are wheat and oil ETFs. My opinion on the wheat, oil, commodities, and ETFs, we're too late. I don't like to get in on anything late, and we should have got on that when everything was looking red, terrible. Nobody was buying in on energy stocks. Nobody's buying in on oil stocks because it's like, yo, man, times is changing. So I think we're late on it. I wouldn't come in now. You know, it's just I don't see it rising too much more. So right now, what's the national average? I think the price per barrel is about $1.32. I don't see it going over $1.50 and staying over $1.50. So yeah, you know, we on it. Buying commodities. Let's see. Congrats on 16K subs. Appreciate it. The channel is growing and growing. You know, the goal is in 2021 to get over 100,000, make it to 100K. We're going to do it. You know, it just take one subscriber at a time. I appreciate all y'all that subscribe. Half of you guys, like, it's crazy. People that's watching this right now, probably 70% of y'all are not subscribed. Why the hell are you not subscribing? You watching? You come on all the time. You see the notification and you watch it, but you haven't hit that subscribe button. Hit it right now. You know, let's go ahead, keep on building. Next goal 17. Keep on going to 18. And right now I switched up my channel plan because the way it worked with YouTube is whenever when the market is going bad, your channel would go bad, especially with finance channels, because less people is searching for finance, less people are searching for crypto. They're scared, so you don't get as much activity. When crypto is going good, the market is going good, my channel overall will go good. So you really have to take advantage of it, and you have to learn how to adapt when a channel is going, when the market is going bad, how to switch up your content to more news or whatever it is, stocks going bad, crypto going good, whatever. So now the trend is more DeFi. People want ways to stake their money. They want passive income. That's more of the wave. So I had to really get on that wave to, continue to grow. And then, as you lure everybody in, then I can go back to my foundation. And, majority of investors are new investors. So the new investors just like bullshit investment. They don't know. So, that's why I get asked about these terrible coins so much, or, meme coins, because that's what majority of people like. I'm not a fan of it, but you got to get the people what you want when you are a content creator, because y'all are the ones that give me the views. So shout out to y'all. Stocks bounce as investors try to shake off Russia-Ukraine Fed concerns. Jobless claims fall to a 50-year low. Biden and Europeans to announce major plan to redirect gas to Europe. Trying to figure it out to get these prices on down. How much is it a barrel right now? Do they have a website that just show? They gotta have a website. Let's see. Gas per oil per barrel. Crude oil. Where they gotta have a website that just completely have it. Oilprice.com. Top oil traders see oil topping $200 by the end of 2022. I don't see it going. If it go that high, that's crazy. That will be nuts. If it really did that, oh my gosh. Y'all have to watch this channel and find ways to earn some money, because that'll be a big deal. So let's just click what Yahoo talking about. Polygon is up 5%. Oil at $150 a barrel is not outside the realm of possibility. Oil at so what is it at right now? So if you somebody know a website that's consistent where you can just click and see what's the price right now, because I think it's at 131 if you was to ask me, but I could be wrong. What do a player know? All right, so you have the Dow is green today, going up. You ain't doing bad. Nasdaq is green. Target over 200. Amazon is in the red today. They're going to probably finish in the green. This feel like a scam. Third-party seller admits to stealing 1.3 from Amazon, an elaborate fake sale and refund fraud. Wonder why they admitted. Did they go to jail? I wouldn't admit that. So was that quote-unquote bad news that got them got their stuff going down? The Tim Hong Ying was accused of stiffing buyers and stalling them long enough for Amazon to clear their payments, which he used to buy gold bars. Bars, baby, bars. It was a solid gold scam with an iron bar ending. I like that. A third-party seller on Amazon.com was pled guilty. Yep, he got caught to running an elaborate refund scam that ripped the online retailer platform off to tune in 1.3 million, which he used to buy gold and silver bars. Smart deal. Tim Hong Jing, 41, live in California, admitted that he had created multiple seller accounts on Amazon and had run a scam. So basically what he did the old bait and switch. You know, he ran a scam, had a bunch of seller accounts, sold a bunch of stuff, and didn't give it to him. So what is his? I want to see, it's the risk versus the reward. So how much time is they giving Buddy? And investors stole, okay. He stole 1.7, 1.3 million in 7 years when there is no place for fraud and will continue to investigate. I'm trying to see how much time did Buddy get? Because if you made 1.3 million in 7 years and you give him less than 2 years and he been investing in gold, I ain't saying 2 + 2 = 4, not 8. I'm just saying. Let's see. It could put him 20 years. Okay. Now, the maximum is 20 years. Southern California man pleads guilty to 1 felony count of wire fraud. So it's only wire fraud admitting to conducting a string of scams over a course of 7 years and defrauding Amazon of 1.3 million in refunds. Ying would confirm that he made up tracking. So he had the whole deal. He made up tracking numbers. He literally was a real scammer, a finesser. Hey, how we are a scam. Your order is shipped. So people respond like, man, I feel like I'm being scammed. He said, how are we a scam? Your order is shipped on Monday, March so and so. And this is real stuff. May I know, do you want a full refund? So the customers was asked for a refund. So he found the chink in Amazon armor. So that's smart. Okay. Will be paid. The justice said his offense could carry a maximum of 20 years. Y'all, I don't think Buddy is going to do over 2 years because a maximum, they're not about to give him the max. He have the money for the lawyers. Let's see. Ying lawyer has not returned a phone call request and comment. In a written statement, Amazon is grateful to law enforcement. What do y'all think? My honest opinion was that if you were to get, I'm just saying, 1.3 million and to get 2 years, in your opinion, is it worth it right now? Let's do the math. 1.3 million. Oh shit, ain't gonna look right. 1.3 million divided by 7 years. So he was making $185,000 a year. And this is just one scam we know of. So we would say he's making $250,000 a year. He invested. So let's say he got $250,000 and he invested. So let's do this. I'm sorry, this is the criminal mind in me. APY interest calculator. So I'm sorry, y'all. Don't kids don't do this, But hey, I'm just saying we got some finessers in here. If you're a finesser, we got to do the math, yo. So if you're doing, let's see, $250,000 a year. Is that 250,000? Is that right there? I can't see. Is that 25? I need glasses. I think that's 250,000. And we're going to say the market average at 10%. Let's say just go average 10%, right? It was compounding daily. And monthly deposit, we will just say without him adding any money, because at this point, he did it for 7 years, yo. He did it for 7 years. So let's just say 1 year. Monthly deposit. All right, no, I'm about to max this out. So if we make doing $250,000, if we do a monthly deposit, so we're doing $250,000 divided by 12. So he's doing over $20,000 a month. Adding to it. And he did this for 7 years. So how many months is 7 years? So you have 12 months in a year times 7. So that's 84 months. So let's run this on up to 84 months. Monthly deposit, they say, oh, let's see if I have to do it like that. So that mean he could have just took $250,000 on that first year. First year he did it, he took $250,000, and let's make sure, yeah, that's $250,000. He averaged 10% APY. He did this for 7 years, and he added $20,000 a month, equated to $250,000 a year. He walked away with $3 million. It's $3 million worth doing 2 years in prison. I want to know. All right. What y'all saying in here? What's the best way, in your opinion, to get $100K when you have a portfolio of $13K at the moment? Depending on the market, I'm buying ADA. Let me see. Anybody? Okay, that's an amazing question. The best way to get $100K when you have a portfolio of 13,000 at the moment, depends on the market. If I wanted to get to $100K, how would I do it? In my opinion, off the top of my mind is, such as today, I would completely get on YouTube and study everything you possibly can about DeFi and borrowing money and flipping that money and using it as collateral. So, for example, what I would do is take $10,000 of the $3,000, right? Say I will put it in, we'll do example, let's say Spell token, because Spell token is high risk, high reward, right? So we'll put $10,000 into Spell token, and then I'll be like, yo, here go $10,000, and let's say they will let you borrow $7,000 for collateral. I would take that $7,000 and I will probably deposit it into Tonic. And then I will take that Tonic and they will probably give me $5,000 of collateral. I will take that money and I will completely go hard off of DeFi. I will probably take that $5,000 I have plus the $3,000 you have sitting somewhere, and I will probably stake Cardano. I will stake some, because you want a consistent. I will probably put it in Luna. I'll probably put it in Luna. So that's $8,000 I'll probably put in Luna. Stake it so you can have that consistent money to be able to pay back off those loans. And I would do that for a while. And you can probably get to $100K in 6 months if you studied it and literally went 100% and learned every single thing, the risk versus the reward, how the impermanent loss is. In 6 months, you can turn that to $100K. It's not the easiest thing to do, but, it's definitely doable, and that will be the quickest way, in my opinion, because worst case scenario, you're going to lose $10,000. Best case scenario, you get $100,000. The risk versus the reward if you wanted to do it that way, in my opinion. But obviously, it fluctuates through Sublando. How about the Ape coin? I talked about Ape coin a little bit earlier. Ape coin is doing ape things. Did you see the drip logo on Pancake Swap? Bunny is down so much, but something is going on. So watching it for now. No, I haven't seen it yet. I got to check it out. He will probably serve his time in minimum security prison because financial fraud is not a violent crime. Yeah, I think, that's probably where that's risk worth it, if you ask me. If y'all only saying, but the question is, do he have to pay that money back? And if so, how much do we have to pay back? And that would change the risk right there. So, man, we have a lot of good coins doing great right now. A lot of good coins is doing great. The market is looking good. I don't know how long it's going to stay looking good. I'm not bullish yet. I'm still a little bearish, but The market is doing its thing. See, look, when we started this live, Bitcoin was at 42,900, just went under 43. So it's teetering on that 43 level and shooting up, going back down, shooting up, going back down. So it's about to do a big bull run or go down. I have my alerts. If it go at 46,000, I'm telling y'all, I'm taking some money in my Hodlnaut account. Oh, see what we started the live. It was at 355. Now my Hodlnaut account is at 381. So, if we completely sold right now, we made $30 since we did this live. So, it let it hit 46,000. I'm switching some of this money because right now I have too much money in USDC, which I'm still earning passive income with it. But, I want it to be higher because our goal is, for example, right now, if I was rich, I would have $1 million, literally $1 million right here in my Hodlnaut account. I would have the Nexus insurance where, if it get hacked, I would get 90% back if the company got hacked. I would literally have $1 million in here. The reason I would have $1 million because it will pay me out over $100,000, $120,000 a year. Like, let's think of this. Well, I just was at the high interest calculator. What was that high interest calculator? This is the reason you really want $1 million, right? Interest calculator. This is literally why you want $1 million. And it's not, to use it or do anything freaky with it. Let's see if this calculator works. You just really want $1 million. We take $1 million to, that's 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, 1 million. There we go. And we are not adding anything to it. We're just doing an interest rate of what Hodlnaut give right now, 12.73%. And we compounding it, daily. Look at what we get. Come on, calculator. You cannot calculate. Oh, length of time. Let's say 1 year. 1 year. All right, we got $135,000. So now you get to pay yourself $135,000 salary with $1 million. Imagine making $135,000 passively. And what you get to do is decide where you want this $135,000 to go. Let's say if you don't need it and you are sending it whenever you get paid to Bitcoin and Ethereum. That's the goal. That's why we want $1 million where you're earning over 10% somewhere, because this percentage is not going to last forever. All of these crazy percentages that these companies are giving is not going to last forever. It's only going to go, for a second, then it's going to go down to 11%, then 10%, then 9%, and probably get stuck at 8% for a while, if you ask me. But that's definitely the game plan. So if you're not signed up with Hodlnaut, so just like I said, they got me working 2 weeks. So I'm working Saturday and Sunday, and then I'm done. Okay. But yeah, if you're not signed up already, click the link at the top of the comments, and get signed up for good old Hodlnaut. And if you are not signed up with good old Moomoo, enjoy the stock market and get some free stocks from now until March 31st. All you have to do is sign up with my link. You're going to get one free stock from $3 to $3,500. You do a deposit of any amount, you're going to get a free stock from $9 to $3,500. And since you know me, you get one free Neo. Once you sign up for Moomoo and use the app, you're going to realize why they are the best and why they are definitely dope. So we are coming up close to 1 hour. I want to go out and go make some money, be fresh a little bit. I will come back. I would probably chop some of this video up, redo it. I have 2 videos later on I want to do. I think I want to do Anchor protocol video and Mirror protocol video, but I just made a wallet yesterday, so they have me whitelist where I have to wait 24 hours to be able to do that. But technically right now, hey, crypto is crypto is growing and doing its thing, man. It's holding everything down. We will see if it keep on going up. You got ApeCoin still trending, Bitcoin at 43,000, Ethereum trying to break over 3,100. Luna's going down, probably go down to 90. You have, well, what happened to Cardano at 117, trying to push at 120. Solana then went over 101. Got Matic going good. Crow just hit 44 cents. So the market is doing good right now, man. We like green. Everybody is happy. Everybody has made money. I will talk to you good people later. Frill said, I missed last night because I had to go out. But I hear you when you said your wife going to stop working. That's awesome. Yeah, man. She just texted me saying her last day is Saturday. So, yeah, man, she's definitely working. So I got to do more sponsors. I got to, respond to some of these emails, do some more sponsors to have some for sure money coming in because, the YouTube ad revenue is not a consistent amount to have, to completely pay some real bills. So yeah, gonna have to do that. Got to drive some more trucks, do what it is. But at least I have her home. I will be able to go live more. And the end goal is, as long as I get 2 more sponsors, I think I would be consistent and stable enough to be comfortable to do a guaranteed Monday through Friday 2 lives a day. I want to do market open live like right now from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Then a market live close from probably 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. or 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. So we got a guaranteed 2 lives, and I'll probably end up dropping 2 videos. So we'll probably have a total of 4 videos a day, 5 days out of the week, and I have a consistent schedule. I think that would be good to grow the channel that way, because people like consistency. They want to know, hey, man, when you going to go live? Right now, I'm all over the place. I can end up go drive a truck tomorrow, be out of town 3 days. It could be scattered around. So talk to y'all players later.